Hey there, welcome to the Healthy Vibes podcast. I am Kelly Renato, your host, a mom of two, and a fitness and health enthusiast and encourager. I'm on a mission to help moms feel good about themselves, find time for themselves, and get their strength back so that every single day they can show up how they want to. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed, unhealthy as a mom, anxious, worn out, and never enough. That is why I want to share with you every single week simple choices that have helped me to feel more confident and content. Each week I'll bring you a short dose of inspiration for you and your family, empowering you to show up for yourself, love who you are, and encouraging you to become more intentional every day with your choices so that you can feel stronger, more confident, and fulfilled. Are you ready to truly love who you are? Get out of that rat race, know that you're enough, and follow the path that you want to? It's time to nurture your mind, body, and soul. You get to make this choice every single day, and I want to help you. Let's start today. You ready? Here we go. Hey there, welcome to the Healthy Vibes podcast. I'm Kelly Renato, and thanks so much for joining me today. As always, we're going to keep it short and encouraging, and I hope that I can give you something simple to take away with, because so much of what we all go through is similar between all of us. I find that anything you're feeling, never feel like you're the only one that feels it. I promise you, we all feel it. The more people I talk to, the more common we all are in what we feel. So I want you to know that and never feel like, never let the way you're feeling make you feel less than or not enough or, just someone, in a place that no one could understand what you're going through. So today I want to talk about, and I think my brother said it to me one time when something was going on. I think sometimes when you're going through something, whatever it is, if it's making you feel bad, not making you feel good about yourself, sad, depressed, mad, anxious, stressed, whatever it is, if it's those unhealthy negative feelings, at some point you have to make a choice to go in the opposite direction, meaning stop digging. Stop doing things that are making you feel worse, which is so common when you're mad, depressed, whether it's, a lot of times, especially us moms, I think, if you're feeling down about yourself or you had a bad day, or maybe you're feeling like the comparison, as we know, anytime you start comparing, it's the thief of all joy that we feel. It takes our joy away immediately, and that's absolutely true. The minute you start comparing, your joy's gone. Or so when we feel bad about ourselves, it's almost like we compare more, or we dive into social media binge, or we start eating bad food, or we just, stay away from people. Like we think that we just want to be alone, or we tell ourselves negative stories over and over and over in our head. I'm sure you can relate. It's so common, it's so natural, and it's a habit I used to be really bad about, and I've improved it so much. And it's not to say I don't still try to go there, but I'm so much better at turning it around, so much better, because I know that I am one choice away from going in the opposite direction, one choice away from starting to feel better. So stop digging is what my brother said to me one time. I can't remember what it was. I think maybe I was mad or I was upset about something, and I just kept, repeating over and over and over again. And at some point you stop digging yourself in the hole, stop making the hole deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, decide to start climbing out. So create yourself a list. You can write it down if it's in your head, of things make yourself feel better. Simple things that you can go to when you're feeling junky and crappy and sad and mad and blue, and little choices that you can start making. Get up and go for a walk. Sometimes it feels so hard because you're like, I don't want to walk. I promise you come back from a walk or a jog, you will be a couple notches up coming out of your hole. You are guaranteed to feel better. Go hug someone. Even if you're upset with them, even if they made you mad that day, hugs make you feel better. They decrease stress. Talk to someone that makes you feel good. talk to someone. Change your thoughts. Whatever you're saying, start saying, I talked about it last week, an anchor thought. Get yourself an anchor thought and start saying out loud healthy, positive, uplifting things. Sorry. I am strong. I am brave. I can do this. I got this. I'm confident in myself. I believe in myself. Strong, positive, simple thought. Find just any passage in your Bible. Just start reading a devotion, just a book in the Bible, anything to calm you. Call someone that you know will lift you up. Anyone that will lift you up. Watch funny videos. It sounds silly, but I promise you, you laugh, it'll lift you up. It'll lift you up. Anything funny. Turn on music. Music can turn your mood. I'm struggling with my words today. It will turn your mood around. And it's good to have like a list of songs. I have a list of songs on my Amazon that just lift me up. I know they'll lift me up if I play them. And just going outside will lift you up. Fresh air, sitting in nature, walking around barefoot. I swear by it. I grew up barefoot. Walking around barefoot outside in the grass, I feel like it's just connecting you to nature. Just taking deep breaths. I heard someone talking the other day. I was listening to a podcast and they talked about humming. They said humming will decrease your stress. I had never heard that before, but I've been trying it lately. And of course, practicing gratitude always will start lifting you up. Just start saying things you're grateful for, writing them down, just saying them over and over again. This list is just small, simple choices that you can do right away. You don't have to buy anything. It doesn't take too long. No matter where you are, you can do one of the things I just said. So the biggest thing that to always remember, I say it all the time, it's the takeaway this week, is that you get to choose. You get to make your next choice. Always. So no matter what you're feeling, you get to choose what that next choice is. And listen, I'm not saying that these will bring you completely out of it, but they're going to help you to stop digging your hole deeper, and they're going to help you to start moving in that direction. And back in the day, I feel like I tried these things and no, they didn't fix it right away. But yes, I felt better than if I sat and looked at social media, or I sat all by myself and didn't talk to anyone and let my head spin out of control. They helped little by little by little. And that's what we have to, and moving forward, if you really want to make changes in your life, whatever it is, whether it's your health, your exercise routine, going after a dream, or just feeling better each day, just feeling better. It's just the small choices done over and over and over again. They change your habits. They change what you do every day. And eventually, that's who you become. You become someone that immediately becomes aware of when you're not feeling good, and you make the next choice to start feeling better. So you can do it. I want you to show up every single day this week for yourself and pay attention to how you're feeling. And when you start going down that path, because every week we all go there, whether we get frustrated, stressed, aggravated, sad, down on ourselves, whatever it is you're feeling that's taken you to a bad place, choose something to start bringing you out of it. Think about it. Pause and plan your next choice. Have your ideas ready and tell yourself if it's hard, if you're fighting it, just yell at yourself. Say, stop digging. Stop digging. Let's start getting out of this hole. Go for a walk. Go outside. Read your Bible. Say a prayer. Start praying over and over and over again. Start speaking gratitude. Turn on some music. Watch funny videos. So many simple things that will help you turn how you're feeling into a more positive, uplifting place. All right, that's it for the day. Thank you for being here. I just want to remind you too of my journal. My journal is great for exactly what I'm talking about this week. Because when you start your days with that, those are those simple things of how am I going to show up for myself today, and get in the habit of doing these healthy habits every day. Just be intentional about your choices because you get to choose. always you get to choose. Take care. Thanks for being here. Have a great week. Bye-bye. I appreciate you sharing this time with me today. I am grateful you are here. And if you have anyone that you feel could also benefit from this encouragement, please share it with them today. You can also add a quick review on iTunes, which would mean the world to me and help me just to make this better for each and every one of you out there. I will be here each week, so please be sure to subscribe to the podcast or join me at kellyrenato.com to get the latest episode and more tools to help you on your journey to feel your best and enjoy every single day exactly where you are. I would love to have you join my journey, and let's all add good, healthy vibes anywhere we can, every single day. Enjoy your week and embrace the season you're in, and I look forward to next week. Take care. Bye-bye.